All right, Debbie. So we are back, me and Fred Lamb. We're going to talk about how 5 traffic sources that you can use to get your first Shopify sales within 48 hours. All right, this is intense. We are getting to the nitty gritty today. Fred, hope you got some energy today.
All right, I have a lot of energy as always, and all you deadbeats out there, make sure you pay very close attention because not only am I going to review the 5 top traffic sources that you can start seeing results in a matter of 48 hours, here's the most important part. I'm going to share with you some pro tips in each of them so you can actually apply it for your business, or if you're about to set up a Shopify store, you want to make sure that you take good notes on what I'm about to share with you. So first of all, top 5 traffic source. First one, by far, I'd say it is Facebook, all right? Facebook is the best platform that is built for e-commerce sales right now. As a matter of fact, everyone talks about it. Everyone say Facebook, Facebook, Facebook. And it is true. Facebook is the best source because of the ability that you are given to target to the right customer. Now, before I get into targeting, though, there are some things that I need to basically be vocal about when it comes to running a Facebook ad for your e-commerce store. The first one is that you have to choose the right marketing objective when you are setting up your campaign. Now, what I mean by that is there's a lot of people that say you got to run post engagement ads, you got to run video views, you got to run website traffic. But in all honesty, you want to hone in your ads to have it ran based on website conversion, because you want to go inside Facebook and tell Facebook that, hey, I'm advertising right now. I'm in your platform with my products and I want to get sale. That is my ultimate outcome. And when Facebook knows that, they will optimize your ad to show to your audience that are more likely to buy your products. But we all know that, right? Well, here's a pro tip for you. If you want the best results and if you want to get a lower cost per purchase from your ads, you've got to make sure that you have a specific product conversion created for your products. So let's say that if you're selling a trinket or you're selling a watch, okay? Let's say that you're selling a men's watch. Now, in your store, you may not just have a men's watch. You may have bracelets, you may have ties, you may have other accessories. But if you just tell Facebook, optimize based on my purchase conversion, you are going to get mixed results and you are going to go through a roller coaster ride because Facebook don't know what exact purchase you want. So when you're setting up your ad, you want to make sure that you are setting ones that are tailored towards that particular products that you are advertising. So you're basically telling Facebook, here are the audiences, here are my ad, this ad sells this product, which is the men's watch. I want you to optimize my ad to sell more men's watch. And that's going to create and live inside the ecosystem, inside Facebook, and they can actually deliver a much better performance for you. Now, on top of that, I see that Mr. Deadbeat wants to ask me a question.
You got to show us the good stuff, man. Show us the magic.
Show you the magic. What do you want?
What do you want? So show some secrets, man. Some secret ad stuff.
You wanted me to show you guys some secret ad on how to set it up?
I'm weaseling it out of him. We gotta show us the nitty gritty, like some crazy ad campaign or something.
You want me to show you how to set up an ad?
I know. So I was talking about Fred. I was like, Fred, we gotta show some ads. He was like, let's do it in the live workshop. I was like, all right. And then now I'm putting him on the spot. We gotta see some ads.
You want to see some ads? You're putting me on the spot. I hate you when you do this.
We're gonna be doing showing a lot of this in the live workshop, but I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek. So, Fred, what am I hoping to do? You don't have to pull up like your top earners, but maybe you could just give us a quick little preview of an ad that's done pretty good for you. Now, I don't want you to expose all your top earners right now. If, obviously my channel gets pretty good reach, but we can save that for the live class. But I know they want to see like an example ad.
No problem. Let me go into my account right now and I'll show you. Hold on one sec.
All right. I
This
put
is
him on the
what the
spot.
deadbeats love.
He was talking to me. Fred was like, "Damn it, Dan, you're weaseling all my secrets out of me." That's all right. That's the whole point. We're trying to more.
All good. It's
Yeah,
all good. I'll show you a ad that does pretty well.
So just to clarify, guys, we will show you how to set these ads up in the web class, but this will just be a good idea to give you a better idea what we're talking about here, especially when it comes to Shopify. I think Facebook ads is one of the things that I think a lot of people are afraid of. But Fred, you could probably confirm to hear that Facebook does a lot of the lifting for you.
Yeah, Facebook does a lot of heavy lifting for you. So it's not something that you want to basically be super crazy about. All right. So this is I'm going to show my screen. All right. So this is an ad that does really well for me. It's this simple. It's an SOS kit. Look at how many reactions and everything that I have already and how many post clicks I have. And it's actually not crazy hard. You just want to set up simple ads. And one of the most important part is tying in the product with the right audience and let Facebook do its job. I bet you anyone can write this kind of ad. I bet, Dan, you can write this kind of ad too.
Are you trying to say that I'm a bad marketer?
I'm not saying you're a bad marketer. I'm just saying that
No, I think I can do that.
Anyone can. It's just writing it. And here's some of the most important tips. If you look at the text over here, I have it sold based on emotion. Now, what I mean by that is you don't want to say, just get this SOS kit, right? You want your ad to speak directly to the audience that you are targeting. And I remember this ad, I was targeting basically survivalists and people that cares about a apocalypse or zombie attacks and all those other stupid stuff out there. But it works. It works. This ad till this day is still running right now. So let me show you another one, okay? Let me show you another one. This ad, I'm just playing around with it. And this one, the click-through rate is literally over 5%. This ad right here. And again, anyone can actually write this kind of ad. And it's that simple. But again, like I said, I sell based on emotion. And I tie it with the right audience. And that's really it. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy at all. All right?
So you didn't actually film that video, did you?
No, I did not film this video.
I mean, that's how I was about to say, geez, you got to go out there and film video. So what you just, okay, so this is,
It's that simple.
That's cool. Okay. So I think, I just didn't want to scare people away from the Facebook ads. I know we're in there. Everyone's like, oh, pay traffic. It can be easy when you do the right stuff. So, Fred, real quick, what are those other 4 traffic sources? We talked about 5. What's the other 4? Just brief listed off there.
So brief listing all. Second one by far that I see is working really well, especially if you are in fashion accessories, if you're in the kitchenware, if you're in gadgets, Instagram story ads works really well. Right now, because not a lot of people are advertising in that placement, you can actually get a lot lower costs advertising in Instagram stories right now, okay? Third one, for those of you that are still a little bit scared of ads, go after influencer marketing. So there's a lot of people in Instagram where you can actually DM them and they can run a 1-hour post, 6-hour post, or a 24-hour post, or a permanent post for a set cost, and they basically promote your products. One of the best example is Kim Kardashian with the gummy bears. They make millions simply just having Kim paid to talk about the products. And you can actually utilize that for e-commerce. It works really, really well. But obviously you got to find a Instagram page that really resonates and can create a connection with the product that you sell. The fourth one is Google search, okay? Let's be honest. When you want to buy a product or when you are in market to buy something, what do? You simply go to Google, search it up, or type in that product name, or let's say in a easier example world, if you want to go buy a pizza, you don't have the phone number. You simply go to Google to put in pizza, right? Or order pizza. And you will actually have ads showing to you that people will take action right away. So if you start using Google search, you're basically going after people that are searching that product. You simply just show your ad right in front of them. Last but not least, the other one that I think is by far one of the best traffic source is affiliate marketing. Okay, you don't even have to pay a penny into ads. You don't have to pay a penny into commission until someone sells your product. So that's number 5.
Yes, you're saying they can essentially, when done right, you can essentially create an affiliate program for, to say that SOS. Let's say we're just the SOS kit, for example. You would pay an affiliate a cut for selling that for you. So you'd have basically an army of people doing the sales work for you.
Correct.
Cool. Yeah, that's crazy, man. There's so many different ways to make money online. I really think that the Shopify, I really like the slant the Shopify puts on everything. So, guys, we're going to put on a live workshop. There will be a link below. Basically, we're going to show you, Fred and I will show you how to build a Shopify business from scratch in the next 30 days and potentially create a 6-figure business or more from scratch. No shipping required. No deals like printing out shipping labels or anything like that. You don't need to house any products. You don't need to do any of that grunt work that's normally associated with doing an e-commerce business. This is all entirely hands-off. We're going to show you the exact blueprint and the tools that you can use to do it as well. So the link for that is below in the video description, or go to deadbeatuniversity.com/shop. Fred, you got any last words? Like we also have your book that you're about to release. We're going to give that away for free. You just quickly talk about that. So if you guys attend the live workshop, Fred is going to give you a copy of his new book.
Yep. That new book is called Starting from Zero. The foreword is actually written by Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. And it really talks about the entire journey on how to get into e-commerce. And I even share a lot of the how-tos and to-dos and tutorial inside that book at the same time.
Cool. So you guys will get all the deadbeats that attend live. We'll get the free copy of that book. It will be on bookstores and bookstores, Amazon, and all that. So you get that free. In addition, we also have cash prizes. I'm going to give away a MacBook, brand new Apple MacBook, and some cash as well for the people that attend live. All right, deadbeats. So hope to see you there. It's going to be an awesome workshop. This will help you put all the stuff that we talked about together, get into action, the exact blueprint, and all the stuff you need to know to get going. So link below, or deadbeatuniversity.com/shop. We'll see you guys in the live workshop. My name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification button, share this video with friends, and comment below if you have any questions for me and Fred. Oh, Fred, we're going to do a challenge. What was the challenge? We were going to set up a camp. We're going to do that in the workshop. We're going to do that in the next video.
So let's do it this one. Okay, so
okay.
Dan and I are basically challenge you guys. If you guys comment below, okay, the more comments we have, the more likely I will set up a Facebook ad right in front of every single one of you in the live workshop. If you want to see basically where I click, what to do, and set up an ad right in the live workshop, leave a comment below. Tell me if you're excited about it, and I'm going to watch the comments, and I need to have a lot of them. And if I see enough interest, I will set up an ad with Dan inside the live workshop. Deal?
All right. This sounds like a deal to me. Cool beans. All right. Cool beans. Can't believe I just said that. All right, guys. I'll see you all. We'll see you all in the live workshop. It's been fun. Fred, thanks for coming out. See you guys later.